drowning in a sea of potential customers and losing track of valuable opportunities. Let's transform that chaos into a streamlined sales machine by mastering lead tracking in Zoho CRM. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. You'll see your dashboard, but we're heading straight to the Leads module. It's usually located on the left-hand side navigation panel. Click on it. Once inside, open up a lead record. Pay close attention to the lead source field. This is crucial. Accurately assigning a source, like website, forum, trade show, or referral, allows you to see where your best leads are coming from. Make sure this field is consistently updated for every lead. Next, the stage field is your best friend. This tracks where a lead is in your sales pipeline. Common stages include contacted, demo scheduled, proposal sent, and negotiation. Update this field manually as you move the lead through each stage. Now for the magic. Zoho CRM's reporting features let you analyze this data. Go to the Reports module and create a report showing lead conversion rates by lead source. This will reveal which sources are bringing in the most qualified leads. You can also create a funnel chart that visualizes the number of leads at each stage. This helps identify bottlenecks where leads are getting stuck. For example, if a lot of leads are stuck in the proposal send stage, maybe your proposals need tweaking. To automate things further, explore Zoho CRM's workflow rules. You can set up rules to automatically update a lead stage based on certain triggers, like when an email is opened or a task is completed. This saves time and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. By consistently tracking your leads, analyzing your data, and optimizing your processes, you'll be well on your way to converting more prospects into paying customers and achieving sustainable business growth.